Good morning, students of standard 6. Welcome in day 15. Okay, in day 14 I have explained an activity how to measure the length of a curved line. Okay, today I will do this activity by practically. Today I will do this activity, and I have given the activity. Aim of this activity is to measure the length of a curved line A to F, okay, and find the length of the any bangle. Okay, so today I will do this activity by myself. So let us see you are in the correct way or you are wrong. So you will see how to do this activity. Let us see. Students, today I am going to do an activity, and the aim of this activity is how to measure the length of a curved line or any bangle. Okay, so first of all I will start to measure the length of a bangle, then after I will try to measure the length of a curved line. Okay, so first of all, find the measurement of a bangle. So first of all, see the material required. You will take a bangle of any length. Okay, you will take a bangle of any length, and second thing is you will take a marker which is used to point the initial point of the thread, and you will take a thread, you will take a scissor or blade, and finally you will take a scale which is used to measure the actual length of the thread. That means the thread which is used to measure the length of the bangle. Okay, now let us start. Take some length of thread, okay, and cut by this thread, cut the thread by this scissor. Okay, now take initial point on the bangle by the marker. Okay, this is the initial point on the bangle which is used to measure the length of the bangle. Okay, let us see. This is the initial point. That means you will put the first initial end of the thread on the pointed by the marker on the bangle. Okay, here like this. Okay, and you will just remove the initial point. Okay, now you will wrap the thread on the bangle outside. See here, this is the initial point of on the bangle. Okay, that means the final measurement of the bangle of the thread is here like this. Okay, now you will cut the thread. This is the length of the bangle outside. See, once again you will take the initial point on the bangle with the marker fixed point. Okay, and then after you will start the thread. The first end point of the thread put on the marked line on the bangle with the marker. Okay, now wrap the bangle with the thread like this. Okay, and finally it goes to the final end point. Second end of the thread goes to the pointed by the marker on the bangle. That means this is the actual length of the bangle. And now start to try to measure the length of this thread on the scale. You will see here the length of a scale. This is in centimeter. Put the one end of the thread at the starting point on the scale. This is the starting point of the scale. You will put here the starting point of the thread at the first end of the scale, okay, like this, and stretch the thread on the scale. You will just skip the first end here. This is the another end of the thread, and you will find here the length of the thread is approx here 23 centimeter and 6.5. A small division is here, covered by the thread is 6, that means 23.6 centimeter, okay. See here 23.12345 okay, 6, that means 23 centimeter 6 millimeter. That means you can say that the length of the bangle is 23.6 centimeter. Students, I hope you are able to understand how to measure the length of the bangle, any type of bangle. You can now, you will find any type of bangle, bigger or smaller, the length of the actual length of the bangle, okay. By this activity we conclude that we are able to how to measure the curved line shape, find the measure of curved line shape, okay. Now let's go on the another activity, how will you find a curved line, okay. Let us see. Students, now I am going to measure the length of curved line, okay. Material required is same thing, take a thread, okay, and a scale and a marker, okay. And I have told you that the first end point of the thread you will put on the initial point of the curved line, that means at point A, okay. You will put here point A on the thread and goes to B, okay. This is the curve shape B. This is the length of the AB, and you will find the length of AB on the scale, okay. See here, and the length of AB is here 3.3, okay. See here 3.3. You will put here AB is equal to 3.3 centimeter, okay. Now same procedure, you will find the measurement of BC, okay. This is the length of BC. The length of BC is, see here, 3.4 centimeter, okay. BC is equal to 3.4 centimeter, right. BC is equal to 3.4 centimeter. Now you will find the length of CD with the help of thread. Put the first end of the thread on the line of CD. CD is the curved line, then you will put as a curved thread. And this is the length of the CD, okay. This is the length of the CD. Now try to find on the length of CD on the scale. Four centimeter, okay. The length of CD is 4 centimeter on the scale. Now find the length of DE, okay. DE, this is the length of DE, okay. This is the length of DE, and find the length of DE on the scale. Exact 3 centimeter. The length of DE is exact 3 centimeter, okay. 3 centimeter. D is equal to 3 centimeter. Now finally you will find the length of EF. Put the first end of the thread on the point E and you will goes to like this. That means this is the final end of the curved line shape. Okay, this is the length of the EF. Now try to find out the length of this thread on the scale. 5.5 centimeter. Okay, the length of EF is equal to 5.5 centimeter. EF is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now you will find the total length of curved line AF. Total length AF is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF. Okay, now put the value of AB 3.3 centimeter plus BC 3.4 centimeter plus CD 4 centimeter plus DE 3 centimeter plus EF 5.5 centimeter. Okay, 4, 3, 7, 7, 5, 12. Carry 1. 5, 3, 8, 4, 12, 12, 3, 15, 15, 3, 18, 1 carry 19. That means AF is equal to 19.2 centimeter. This is the actual length measured by the thread of this curved line. Okay, so students, I hope you are able to understand about the length of this thread. Okay, thanks to all of you watching me.